Well, folks, we learned a lot in school. I can tell you every step of photosynthesis. In fact, if you give me two sides of a triangle, I can tell you the third side. Also, I could play some banging music on the recorder. I could also tell you all the functions of each part of the cell. Now, it probably wouldn't be so bad learning some of those things if I also knew how to invest, do my taxes, vote, and pretty much every other area of life. But have no fear, I'm going to tell you today in this video the greatest quote ever said in history. Are you ready for the quote? It is, "Thou shalt smash the like button." Did you do it yet? Okay, good. In all seriousness, the quote is from the great speaker, entrepreneur, and author Jim Rohn. He once said, "Formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune." Now, the reason I think this is the greatest quote ever said in history is because it does not apply only to money. It literally applies to all areas of life. Here's what I mean. In school, you probably had gym class. There, you might have done some exercises and physical testing. But if you stop doing that at the age of 18, what good does that do you for the rest of your life? Meaning, you have to continue to exercise and work out in order to maintain health. The same goes with education. If you stop reading books after high school, what good does it do you? If you stop learning and growing your brain, how is that ever going to help you in the rest of your life? In this world, you need knowledge and skills. More and more companies like Apple and Google are hiring off of skills, not your degree. This is becoming a very large trend with many companies. It is so brutally competitive out there that your degree is becoming more and more a worthless piece of paper. Companies want the most qualified, most skilled employees. That is why, even though the economy is still very strong, there are so many unemployed college graduates. A degree does not set you apart from anyone else. It doesn't matter that you went to Harvard. In this rapidly advancing world, you need specialized skills to stand out from a crowd. Did you know that according to the U.S. Census Bureau, about $12,000 is spent per student for education? Could you imagine if that $12,000 was used properly? What if it was used on books and courses and mentors and coaches to educate students on skills that they will actually need in this world? When was the last time you needed to do a math equation more advanced than multiplication and division? The world has advanced so much, from TVs to cell phones to technology, and yet we are still learning the exact same things our great-great-grandpas learned in school. This is why so many graduates feel stuck and lost after they graduate. When was the last time you actually picked up a book?
Welcome to throwing a giant heavy book. I'm going to get in trouble for this, so I hope you guys just like the video. Like it if you like this. Ready? Oh god!
Probably not since school. This is why we need self-education. If you stop learning after the university level, you will never get ahead in life. As cliche as it may sound, if you get 1% better at something every day, you will be 365% better at it at the end of the year. People are handing over tens of thousands of dollars to learn from professors whose only qualification is that they know a textbook inside and out. Why is it that in business school the professor can show up every day to work, but when they have a guest speaker, they can only show up on that one day? Maybe it's because the guest speaker actually has some experience and is running a business. These professors wouldn't have 1 second to teach if they actually had some real-life experience. In conclusion, I am praying that you never stop learning and always keep improving. And if you truly want to get good at something, whether that would be managing your money or staying healthy, you have to learn and advance every single day. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. As Elon Musk said, I didn't go to Harvard, but the people that work for me did. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so that way you're notified every time I get a new video. See you in the next one.